Hi guys, this is Jake with Cali Raised. Today we'll be installing our 07 to 13 Tundra tailgate theft protector. What will be included in your package is one tailgate theft protector, one security bolt, and one security hardware bit. To get started, you're going to get your tailgate theft protector and put it on the right side, passenger side of the vehicle. You would then have your security bit right here. You're going to put it inside your selected tool, get the security bolt, put it through the one location, and then tighten it down. That's it. Well, thank you for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and go visit CaliRaisedLED.com for all your off-road and overland accessories.